again everyone, it's me again Kimmie, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you can already see I will be talking about NMAT tips and techniques. So if you're new in my channel, please do click subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates. So for today's video, I will be focusing on part 1, verbal. There are actually 2 parts of verbal. We will start today with word analogies. Let us start with opposite analogies, like crying and laughing. They are very opposite words. We also have object and classification. A cat is classified as a pet. Object and related object, like a seed can grow into a tree. We have object and group, like one tree, it will belong to the forest. It becomes many. Cold and freezing, warm and hot, degree and characteristics. We have also cause and effect. There's a fire, something will burn. Effort and result. Building, you will have a house. Effort and result. So something like cause and effect. Verb tenses, like the past tense, present tense. Performer and action, of course, what's the action of this certain performer? Object and part of the whole, like a brick can be made into a wall. We also have object and function, like a smartphone, you can use it to call anyone 24 hours. Object and location, like a tree is located in a forest. We also have things that go together, just like your notebook and a pen or your notebook and a pencil. Synonym, words that are similar in meaning. Antonyms, words that are different in meaning. We also have rhyming words like dear steer, way away. Take note also of geography, like capital cities like Tokyo, Japan, Beijing, China. They also provide measurements like pounds to kilograms, ounce to liters, and also time or seasons, like in September it's autumn season or fall season. So those are the different tips for word analogies. Let's go now to the second, which is reading comprehension. First, you need to start by reading the questions. By reading the questions, you will know already what to look for when reading the whole context. Next, while reading the whole context, you need to focus on the main theme. What is really the story all about? Pay attention also to the first paragraph because that's where most of the questions will be taken, so most of the answers will be there. And identify key supporting details, like some important information. In reading comprehension part, you also need to check transitional words and phrases, just like and, but, however, thus. Those are very helpful and it will really give you idea about the whole context. You can reread if necessary. Some questions will say in paragraph 1, what is the meaning of this? Then you will exactly know what to look for. So you can reread that part. You can also use context analysis, and the most important is don't spend too much time on a single question. If you cannot answer the question, go to the next question. And then just go back to the question that you left if you still have more time. So that's all for the tips or test taking techniques that I can share to you in the verbal part. Again, if you like this video, if you learned something from it, please do click the subscribe button, and you can also click the notification bell so you will be notified with the latest content that I will be posting. I will post more NMAT test taking skills and techniques, so stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching my video and have a good day. Bye bye.